So this time we will be installing holding tank.
So I'm going to put this tank over here to the aft locker, just right there.
I needed to cut the bulkhead in order to make the room for the hoses coming from the bathroom to the aft locker. The locker is 1.6 meter deep, so I had some exercises getting out and getting into it.
So now I got this second hose and I need to push it through this little hole over there in order to get it to the through hole. So here's our hose, and we just need to put this hose over here. So I guess we need to do a big circle first, because we cannot just turn it like this. It's just that this hose is too tight. So it wasn't that bad. As you can see, I've put here two clamps, two clips, and this white thing on the clips that you can see, it's a little bit of lubricate. I find it really helpful to put a little bit of grease to the clip, because it's not that difficult then to tighten up. I put two just because I don't want this hose to go out, or maybe to have a leak, because this is a through hole, so it could very easily cause damage.
Then I needed to drill the hole for the hoses to go to the tank. Later on, I secured all of the cuts that I made with the gel coat in order for the plywood not to get the water.
I'm gonna stripe it with those stripes, so I'm gonna drill the hole in this little board that I have over here, and I'm gonna stripe it like this and like this.
And that was my first idea. I just wanted to put there the holding tank and secure it with the stripes. But unfortunately it wouldn't be supported from the bottom. So it could get disintegrated after some time because it had the joint just in the middle. So this is why I decided to make a little shelf in order for the holding tank to have support from the bottom. I couldn't find any shop selling the marine grade plywood near there. Thanks God my friend Lars had some leftovers and he gave it to me. ascended the edge of the shelf in order to match exactly the shape of the supported board. I made the surface a little bit rough in order for the epoxy to have a better contact. And I glued everything with epoxy mixed with the fiberglass.
So here's my holding tank, and I found a perfect space for the vent, for the hole for the vent. So I thought first to do the hole over here, because here's the vent for the diesel tank, but I managed to disassemble this part over here, and I got whole new possibilities. So right here would be perfect place for the hole, because this is just beneath the rest of the vents. So let's drill it.
Since we have the tank ready to be installed, we can trim the hoses for the right size. As you can see, it's not that easy. Then I could drill the hole for the vent. And finally I could cut one of the outlets to connect the hose.
Beautiful.
And now I will do access to the waste tank from the deck. I drilled the hole in the deck, and from the deck I drilled the hole in the holding tank to be able to see where exactly should I drill the hole in the holding tank. I drilled the hole in the holding tank, and then I was ready to install the outlet. I didn't install it permanently yet because I knew that they are too long and I will need to cut one of them. So this is just to see which one should I cut. After cutting the deck outlet, I was ready to install it permanently.
Okay, so now the most important part, and it's important in what order do we do. First I put this one because then I wouldn't be able to mount the through hole or the outlet, however you call it. Oh shit. This one, so I won't be able to do that later on. This hose goes here. Alright, and as we can see, the hole is directly above the hose. So let's go to the top. So everything is mounted nicely, and I still didn't I still didn't feed it here because I want to test it first if there is no leak. So I'm gonna put the water to the tank. So I have a little leak just in here, and that's because this hose is just pushing the tank just this way, and there is this gasket here, and most probably just over here the water is leaking. So I'm going to put some Teflon here. Let's see. So here to the thread I put a lot of Teflon. I put this gummy gasket here and made it really strong. I put it all together, and there is a water here. Not sure where is it. Yeah. Anyways, there is a water, and I can't see any leak now. That would be fantastic. Yeah, it's dry. Okay, I'll leave it like this for a couple of minutes. I'll put also this buddy here. Yeah, because as you can see, there is a lot of movement, and this movement probably is not good for this part over here. I don't want this to freaking explode while it's going to be full of shit. Okay.
And this is the final product of, believe me or not, 2 months working. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked that, please hit that like button and subscribe for the next videos.